Hi students, in my last lecture I have discussed about introduction to trigonometry, the basic properties of trigonometric ratios. Now I am going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles like 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees along with exercise 8.2. Okay, let us start with 45 degrees. Okay, what are the fractions for this 45 degrees for different trigonometric ratios? Okay, first of all, let us take one isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle, two sides will be equal. Let us name it as ABC and right angle at B. If two sides are equal, definitely two angles will be equal in that triangle. So we can say that this is 45, this is 45. Or we can say that these triangles are equal, like in a triangle sum of all angles is 180. This is 90, remaining two angles 45, 45, so total 90 degrees. Now we can find out sine 45 very easily. Side opposite to 45 degrees divided by hypotenuse. Side, yeah, we did not assume anything here, we can assume it as A, then we will get AC by using Pythagoras theorem, A square plus A square, so we will get here root 2A. Okay, so side opposite to 45 degrees, A divided by root 2A, hypotenuse is root 2A, so we will get finally here 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Then cos 45, if we want cos 45 degrees, side adjacent to 45 divided by hypotenuse, side adjacent to 45. I'm taking, if I take here the angle, adjacent is A, hypotenuse is root 2A, so again we will get here 1 by root 2. The same manner we can find out tan 45 also, tan 45 which is equals to side adjacent to side opposite to 45 divided by side adjacent to 45 degrees, so we will get here A by A which is 1. Then we can find out cosecant 45 degrees which is 1 by sin 45, so that we will get 1 by root 2, here we will get root 2. Then we can find out secant 45 degrees by using 1 by cos 45 which is equals to 1 by root 2, so here also we will get root 2. Then coming to cotangent 45 which is 1 by tan 45. By using trigonometric ratios also you can find out, so 1 by 1 which is equals to 1. Like that we can find out the values for trigonometric values for this 45 degrees. Okay, let us move to next angle. Yeah, now let us try to find out for 30 and 60 degrees. Here we should take one equilateral triangle, okay, ABC, and each side is 2A, okay, and let us take midpoint D over here. Then let us join these two with a median. So this median divides the triangle into two equal halves, and at the same time here the angle will be 90 degrees. Since triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle, each angle will be 60 degrees. So this also 60. This total 60. After dividing, each part will be 30 degrees. Okay. Now we will take only one part. That part will be like this, which is A, B, D. This particular part I have taken. So total is 2A. Half of that one is A. This will be 2A. Then we can find out AD by using Pythagoras theorem. We will get this one as root 3A. So after finding three sides in this triangle, what will I do here? From triangle ADB, what I can do from triangle ADB, sine 60, I can find out sine 60 degrees, because here the angle is 60 degrees, this angle will be 30 degrees. Sine 60 is side opposite to 60 degrees divided by hypotenuse. Side opposite to 60 degrees is root 3A divided by hypotenuse is 2A. These two gets cancelled, then we will get root 3 by 2. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. The same way, from the same triangle we can find out cos 60 also. Side adjacent to 60 degrees divided by hypotenuse. So we will get here side adjacent to 60 is BD with the length A divided by 2A. So we will get here 1 by 2. In the same manner, tan 60 also we can find out sin 60 by cos 60. So we will get, or else we can find here side opposite to 60 by side adjacent to 60. Any formula you can use. So side opposite to 60 is root 3A divided by A, root 3A divided by A. So we will get here root 3. So by using these three trigonometric ratios, we can find out the remaining. Cosecant 60 we can find out, which is 1 by sin 60. So here we will get here 1 by root 3 by 2. If we flip that fraction, we will get 2 by root 3. Then we can find out secant 60, which is 1 by cos 60. Cos 60. So here we will get 1 divided by 1 by 2, which is 2, normal 2. Then cotangent 60, which is 1 by tan 60. Actually tan 60 value is root 3. So cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Okay, in the same way we can find out for 30 also. Sin 30, yes, sin 30 degrees, side opposite to 30 degrees divided by hypotenuse. Side opposite to 30 degrees, here is our 30 degrees, this will be opposite side. A divided by 2A, A divided by 2A. So we will get here 1 by 2 after cancelling the common factors. Then cos 30 degrees, which is side adjacent to 30 divided by hypotenuse, which is equals to side adjacent to 30. Adjacent to 30 is AD, which is root 3A. Root 3A divided by hypotenuse is 2A. So we will get here root 3 by 2. Then tan 30. Tan 30 is side opposite to 30 divided by side adjacent to 30. Side opposite to 30 degrees is A. Side adjacent to 30 is root 3A. If we cancel the common factor, we will get 1 by root 3. So from this 3 we can find out the remaining 3. Cosecant 30 is 1 by sin 30. So 1 by sin 30 value we got here 1 by 2. So this is equals to 2. Then secant 30, if we find out, which is 1 by cos 30. So that we will get 1 divided by cos 30 is root 3 by 2. which is equals to 2 by root 3. And finally we can find out tan 30, which is equals to tan 30 already we are having, which is 1 by root 3. Then we can find out cot 30, which is 1 by tan 30. So 1 by root 3 we will get here root 3. Okay, like this we will find out the trigonometric ratios for different angles. So if we summarize all those values into a table, we will get like this: sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60. Initial stages it will be somewhat difficult to remember all these values, but if we practice it will take maximum 10 to 20 minutes to remember all the values for 30, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So how we can practice this one? So I will try to remember only for sign by using some blind indication. Okay, my blind indication will be like this: 0 by 4 under square root 1 by 4 under square root 2 by 4 under square root 3 by 4 under square root 4 by 4. 0 by any number is 0, so root 0 is 0. 1 by 4, if I split the root 1 by root 4, root 1 is nothing but 1. 1 divided by root 4 value 2. Then 2 ones, 2 2s, so that we will get 1 by root 2 here. Root 3 divided by root 4, which is root 3 by 2. 4 will get cancelled, so that we will get 1 here. Now copy these values from here. Okay. After finding cos, then for tan we will follow a small trick. Tan A is nothing but actually sin A by cos A. So sin by cos is nothing but tan. If you want tan 0, sin 0 by cos 0. 0 by 1 is equals to 0. If you want tan 30, yes, tan 30. If you want sin 30 by cos 30, which is sin 30 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2. These two cancelled and we will get 1 by root 3. Okay, like that we can find out. There itself we can cancel these denominators and we can write 1 by 1, which is 1, 2 cancel and we will get root 3. 1 by 0 is not defined. Like that, inverse of sine also we can find out. Inverse of sine is cosecant, inverse of cos is secant, inverse of tan is this one. Like that we will find out the answer. Now let us move to the question. Evaluate sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. So coming to the part of solution, sin 60 we know, which is root 3 by 2, into cos 30 we know, which is root 3 by 2, plus sin 30 we know, which is 1 by 2, into cos 60 also 1 by 2. If we simplify this, we will get root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 2 is 4 plus 1 by 4. So we will get finally here 4 by 4, which is equals to 1. Let's move to second question's solution. So 2 tan 45 we know, which is 1. We have square here, so let us take square for this one, plus cos 30 we know, which is root 3 by 2, and we have square here, minus sin 60 also root 3 by 2 whole square, which is equals to 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, and we can remove these two terms because same terms with a negative symbol, and our answer is 2. Now let us move to the next question. Our third question is cos 45 divided by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Cos 45 we know cos 45, which is 1 by root 2 whole divided by secant 30 we know it is inverse of cos 30. Actually cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Inverse of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Like that we should calculate there itself. Cosecant 30 also we can find out. Sin 30 we know 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 will be inverse of 1 by 2, which is 2. Now let us simplify these values. 1 by root 2 whole divided by 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by root 3. By taking LCM we can calculate this one. So which is equals to 1 by root 2 into root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. Now let us multiply root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. So in the denominator we should not say any irrational number. We can rationalize the denominator now. So which is root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. If we rationalize the denominator, what will get? 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. What we are doing? We are multiplying and dividing with the same number. So that equals to root 3 into 2 root 2 will get 2 root 6 minus root 3 into 2 root 6 will get 2 root 18. Root 3 into root 6 is root 18 divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So that we will get 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. So after this 2 root 6 minus 2 into root 18 is actually root 18. You can write as root 9 into root 2. Root 9 value we know 3 root 2. So root 18 is 3 root 2. 3 root 2 divided by, if we split this, 2 root 2 whole square, we will get 4 into 2 which is 8 minus, here also same, 2 square 4, 4 6 is 24. So that we will get here, from these two terms you can take out 1 2 common, root 6 minus 3 root 2 divided by minus 16, 2 1s, 2 8s. So we will get here root 6 minus 3 root 2 divided by minus 8. Send the minus to the numerator, then we will get 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8. Okay, like this we will find out. If you want you can write this one, or else it is like rough work. Let's move to next question. Our next question is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cos secant 60 divided by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Let's go to the solution. Sin 30 we know which is 1 by 2, tan 45 we know which is 1, minus cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3 divided by secant 30, we will get 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1. So let us simplify. If we take LCM for the three fractions in the numerator, we will get 2 root 3. Here we need to multiply with root 3. For the second term we need to multiply with 2 root 3 minus third one we need to multiply with 2, so that 2 into 2 is 4. Here we need to multiply after taking LCM. Here also we will get 2 root 3, so we will get 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now these two things cancelled here, and we will get root 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. Okay, let us rationalize the denominator again here. 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. I am trying to rationalize the denominator. Yeah, 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 minus 4. 3 root 3 minus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4 we can use here a minus b whole square formula, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that we will get 3 root 3 whole square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4 plus 4 square divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square formula for the denominator. So that we will get 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square. Now let us simplify. 3 square is 9, 9 3 is 27, minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24 root 3 plus 4 4 is 16 divided by, again we will get here 27 minus 16. So that 27, 37, 43, 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 27 minus 16 is 11. Like that we will find out the solution. Let's move to next question. This is our next question, question number 5. Let us try to solve this one. Solution: 5 cos 60 we know, which is 1 by 2, and we have square here, plus 4 secant 30 we know, 2 by root 3 whole square, whole square minus tan 45 is 1 whole square divided by sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Let us simplify this one. 5 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 by 3 whole square is 4 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4, root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4, which is equals to 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 4 by 4. So 4, we can cancel these two values and we can write the numerator as it is, 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1, which is equals to, let us take LCM and simplify. The LCM is 4 3 is 12, so we need to multiply this one with a 3. 5 3 is 15 plus 16 4 is 64 minus 12, so we will get here 15 minus 12 is 3, 3 plus 64 is 67 divided by 12. Okay, let's move to next question. Yeah, choose the correct option. Choose the correct option and justify your answer. Let us try to find out solution for this one. They gave 2 tan 30. 2 into tan 30 we know, sin 30 by cos 30, 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 30, 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square, which is equals to 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square, we will get 1 by 3. So we can simplify this, we will get 2 by root 3 whole divided by 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 3. Let us simplify this, which is equals to 2 by 3 into 2 by root 3 into 3 divided by 4. So we can cancel these 2 1s, 2 2s, then we can write here root 3 divided by 2 root, this is 3 only. 1 second. 3 divided by 2 root 3 and further we can reduce this root 3, as 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 root 3. So we can cancel these two, then we will get root 3 by 2. Okay, and root 3 by 2 where we will get, it is very important. For sine 60 we will get root 3 by 2 for sine 60. Okay, let's move to next question. One minus tan square 45. Solution. 1 minus tan 45 we know, which is 1. We have square, we can take that 1 plus tan square 45, which is 1 again square, which is equals to 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1, which is equals to 0 divided by 1, which is equals to 0. So the correct option is option D. Let's move to next question. Okay, for which value the statement is true? If we substitute in the place of a one of these particular 4 value, this statement is true. That one we need to find out. Let us check one by one. Okay, sine 2a is equals to 2 sine a, they have given. Sine 2a is equals to 2 sine a, they have given. Yeah. Now see, in the place of a I will take the first option, which is 0. Sine 2 into 0, which is equals to 2 sine 0. So here we will get sine 2 into 0 is 0. Again 2 into sine 0 value we know, which is 0. Sine 0 is 0. 0 into 2 we will get 0. So this is our correct option. If we substitute these values, we will not get the equal thing here. Okay, let's move to next question. Yeah, 2 tan square 30, sorry, 2 tan 30, they gave into the part of solution. 2 tan 30, 2 into tan 30 is sin 30 by cos 30, so we will get 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan 31 by root 3 whole square. So let us simplify this. 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus, if we split the square to both the numerator and denominator, we will get 1 by 3. Then let us simplify. 2 by root 3 whole divided by 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. Okay, now we can write like this: 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2, these two cancel here, so we are getting 3 by root 3, and again this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3, so these two cancel here and we'll get finally root 3. Actually this root 3 is equals to tan 60. Okay, let's move to next question, and this is the last question, I think. Yeah, they have given two statements. One is tan a plus b is equals to root 3, another one is tan a minus b is equals to 1 by root 3. Then find out the value of a and b. Okay, let us copy the statements here. Tan a plus b, which is equals to root 3, tan a minus b, which is equals to 1 by root 3. So we have here tan a plus b, which is equals to, in the place of root 3 I can write tan 60 degrees. Why? Because tan 60 is root 3. Here also I can change tan a minus b, which is equals to tan 30 degrees. Why? Because tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now I can remove both sides this tan. I can remove both sides the tan here also. So I will be left with a plus b is equals to 60. Here I will be left with a minus b equals to 30. If I write these two, if if I add these two equations, a plus b equals to 60 degrees, a minus b equals to 30 degrees. If I add these two cancelled, a plus a is 2a, 60 plus 30 is 90. Then from that I can write a is equals to 90 by 2, which is 45 degrees. Okay, now by using this a value, I know a plus b is equals to 60 degrees and a value 45 degrees. If I substitute, plus b equals to 60, b is equals to 60